counties in Hawaii, Kauai North, Kauai East, Ko'oa Windward, Ko'oa Leeward, Central Oahu, Kauai Mountains, Oahu North Shore, Oamana and Waianae Mountains. High wind warning in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. West, southwest winds 25 to 30 miles per hour with localized gusts to 60 miles per hour. Where? Portions of interior and windward Hawaii and Oahu. When? Until 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Damaging winds may blow down trees and power lines and damage roofs. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Strong winds may lead to property damage. Hazardous driving conditions due to powerful crosswinds will pose a serious risk for drivers, especially for lightweight and high-profile vehicles. Loose outdoor items should be brought inside or secured properly.